Welcome everyone. In today's session, we are going to write Python program to check if two strings are anagram. So let's start. First of all, let's try to understand what is meant by anagram. Okay, so anagram of a string is another string that contain same character. Only the order of character can be different. Please try to understand. When can we say that two strings are anagram? If they have same character. Both strings should contain same character. Here order is not important. Okay, let's try to understand it with the help of example. Suppose we have two strings, which is first string A, B, C, D, which is second string D, A, B, C. Okay, we have these two strings. Are these two strings anagram? Let's verify. Which is first character present in the first string? It is A. Whether A is present in second string? Yes, A is present in second string. Try to understand. Order is not important. Here we can see that in first string A is present at 0th index, while in second string A is present at first index. But here order is not important. Only we have to verify whether both strings contain same character. Now, which is next character present in the first string? It is B. Whether B is present in second? Yes. Then which is next character present in first string? It is C. Whether C is present in second string? Yes. Then which is next character present in first string? It is D. Whether D is present in second string? Yes. So here both strings contain same character. So that's why we can say that these two strings are anagram of each other. Now, let's try to understand the logic that we are going to use in this particular Python program. So, here what we will do whenever we have given two strings and if it is asked to verify whether these two strings are anagram or not. So, what we will do? See, first of all, we will sort first string. Okay, what we have to do? We have to sort first string. Right? So, which is our first string? See, here our first string is A, B, C, D. So, we will sort it. So after sorting, obviously we will get again same string. Okay, there will not be any change. Already it is sorted. So after sorting, we will get string like A, B, C, D. This is step number 1. I hope it is clear. Very simple. What we did in step number 1, we have sorted first string. Fine. Now let's move to the second step. In second step, what we will do? We will sort second string. Which is our second string? It is D, A, B, C. So what we will do? We will sort this string. So after sorting D, A, B, C, which string we will get? Yes. After sorting this string, we will get a string like A, B, C, D. Okay. Please try to understand. In first step, we have sorted first string. In second step, we have sorted second string. And then what we will do? We will compare this sorted string. We will compare this sorted string. If they are equal, then we can say that two strings are anagram, else they are not. Okay, so in our case, the sorted, which is first sorted string, it is ABCD. Which is second sorted string, it is ABCD. Whether both are equal? Yes, both are equal. So that's why we can say that both strings are anagram of each other. If they are not equal, after sorting, if we are getting strings which are not equal, then we can say that those two strings are not anagram of each other. Let's write Python program. So I will use Sublime Editor. So first of all, I will take one variable. Say str1. I will initialize this variable with first string. So first string is suppose ABCD. I will take one more variable, say str2. I will initialize this variable with second string, which is suppose DABC. Then I will take if statement and here I will check one condition, which is condition C. Sorted str1. So try to understand what I have written. So here what is sorted? So we can say that it is a method, it is function which is provided by Python. So here what I am doing, by using this method, I will sort str1. Okay, I will sort first string. So our first string is present in variable str1. Okay, so I will sort this first string and I will compare this first string, I will compare this sorted first string with second sorted string. Okay, so how can we get second sorted string? So for that, again I will make use of sorted method and here I will use second variable, that is str2. Right? So this is our if statement. So please try to understand here what I did. So here I am comparing, I have sorted first string, I have sorted second string by using sorted method available in Python, and then I am comparing these two sorted strings. Okay, so if these two sorted strings are equal, then I will print message that two strings are anagram. Okay, two strings are anagram. Else I will print message two strings are not anagram. That's it. Let's save this program and let's execute it. Control B. Okay, see what message we are getting. Two strings are anagram. Okay, why? Because see, our first string ABCD, second string is DABC, both string contain same character. So that's why we are getting output like two strings are anagram. Now let's make change in first string. So in first string, what I will do, I will take only 3 characters. Okay, and now let's run our program. Now see, what is the message? Two strings are not anagram. So in this way, we have written Python program which will check whether given strings are anagram or not. Thank you.